Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the eBay business, and you heard me right. I am officially restarting my eBay business series. As you guys may or may not know, I took a little break to study for an exam for work, and I am proud to announce that I officially passed the exam. So I'm ready to get back into the full swing of things, get back into my YouTube content creation, get back into sourcing for eBay, getting back into reselling on eBay. Now, I'm gonna shoot for at least one eBay video every 1 to 2 weeks. For example, if I don't sell anything for 1 week, or if I didn't sell enough product for 1 week, I might just push that video a little further back just to give you guys some extra content on that video. Or I might add in some sourcing footage depending on what is going on that week. I just don't wanna bore you guys with some boring content that I don't think is gonna be very enjoyable to watch. I like to create my videos and make them nice, quick, and compact. So I officially have about 30 items on my eBay profile right now, and my wife has around 30 as well. So we're gonna get back into listing a bunch of the stuff that's in this corner right here. And now that it's winter time, the primary eBay space isn't going to be really hot. So I'm gonna be working on moving all of the eBay product back into the first eBay space that I showed on the first episode. This week, we actually were able to sell a couple of things, one of which sold today. So let's go pick that up. Okay, so one of the things that sold this week is probably in here. Let's see here. I need to have a better management system for all of my product here. Okay, right here, the Khabar multitool. All right, just close this back up. Okay, so I sold this khabar multi-tool, and as you could see by the picture on the side, it basically is just a camping utensil. It has a spoon, knife, and a fork, and this came in that bundle of camping utilities that I got for around $30-something. I already made my money back from that, and at this point, this sale is just pure profit. So very happy about this sale, and I'm just gonna throw this in one of those little poly bags I have tucked away in this corner. Do I have any extra ones in here? Yes, I do. All right, so we're going to just ship it away in one of these bubble mailers, and like always, all products that I use will be linked in the description below. If you guys want to start reselling on eBay, I'll give you guys all the products that I use available on Amazon anyways. So there we go, that's going to be shipped out in that today. All right, so these are a couple items that I was not able to film for you guys because now when I get off of work, it's pretty much just dark outside. So I wasn't really able to film this packing process because the eBay space is really dark right now. Need to get a couple light bulbs and change it up over there, but we sold a set of 5 small wooden crates. Now, my wife actually got this for free where she worked, so she had this set of 5 crates that she thought, oh, someone could paint this and make a nice little decorative piece with it, so she snagged that up for free, so pure profit there. All right, this other piece that we got is this vintage Dutch oven set with a lid. Now, we picked this item up for about $2 or $3 at a garage sale, so very nice flip here. I mean, it did take a little while for it to actually sell. I'm assuming this person purchased this for a gift because the holidays are coming up, so very happy with this flip. So what do I have in store for the eBay business? Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a lot more sourcing in the near future. I'm gonna be trying to capture like B-roll footage of me just going around sourcing at different thrift stores. And I'm trying to figure out the best way to record in the stores because sometimes there's music playing, might just do a voiceover, or might just do like small little clips like, oh look, we found this, or you know, I'll figure it out as we go, but very excited to get this eBay series rolling out for you guys again. All right, and we are officially back in the eBay space. Now, we sold something pretty interesting over the weekend. I just got back from hunting for the very first time. I did not get anything, but hopefully something will come from it in the future. But let's get that item that we sold on eBay. All right, so we sold this Bernie Sanders Chia pet. So this is a very unique item that I'm sure does not come around very often. So very happy that we were able to pick this up at Goodwill for a couple dollars, and we're able to sell it for about $9.99 with the buyer paying shipping. So yeah, pretty awesome stuff. I've also been collecting a lot more Amazon boxes just to get ready for future shipments and just having a lot of packing materials on hand. So as of right now, I haven't really had to purchase any packing materials other than the bubble mailers and some bubble wrap. So we should be pretty set for future sales. I have not had to buy an actual box for this, so I'd recommend, if you guys are just getting started, go to the grocery store, Walmart, and ask for some boxes that they're planning on throwing away. So yeah, that is going to wrap up this week's sale. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick recap of what I'm planning to do with this YouTube channel. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm going to be making an eBay video every 1 or 2 weeks, depending on how good the sales are. I'm gonna try and make the video at least 5 minutes for you guys. And I wanna keep the videos nice, condensed, and without that much fluff. I'm also going to be doing some other review type of videos on this channel. So those are gonna come out probably more frequent than the eBay videos, just because I could actually control the content there. The episodes for the eBay series is really sporadic, just because I'm not sure what type of sales I'm gonna get at the moment, but I'm gonna really try to hustle a lot harder within the near future to source for eBay and get the sales back up. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.